Hey everyone, this is Manik from Northland Nissan in Prince George, and today I'm going to do a quick walk around video on this brand new 2019 Nissan Kicks. And this one over here is an SR Edition. That's a top of the line edition that has the first time ever a Bose Premium audio system fitted in your head restraints. So let's take a look inside. You got 8.5 inches of touchscreen infotainment that is loaded with Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you also have the 360-degree camera. And for your safety features, you also have the blind spot detection, front warning collision, leather interiors with heated seats, automatic transmission. You also have the keyless entry with the remote start on the key fob. Let's go at the back seat. I'm just going to show you at the back. Look at that. We have some gorgeous color combinations in Nissan Kicks. So come check it out. Take one for a test drive and see for yourself how amazing these Nissan Kicks are. And this one over here is an SR Edition. That's a top of the line edition. You have all the bells and whistles you can imagine. And the color combination is absolutely gorgeous on this one. And it also comes loaded with a factory block heater, LED strip lights with visor and headlights. Also loaded with the fog lights too. Dual tone aluminum glass alloys. So come check it out at Northland Nissan in Prince George. Give me a call at 778-890-5544, 778-890-5544. And thank you for watching this video. This was Manik from Northland Nissan.